Hello everyone, the topic we are discussing that is tort law, and under the tort law we are discussing that is types of intentional tort. So today in this video I will be discussing specifically unlawful harassment, that is one of the types of intentional tort. Okay, so unlawful harassment, what does it mean? Unlawful, as you know, that something illegal, something that cannot be justified under the law, and harassment means harassing someone, tormenting someone, trying to disturb someone by any means. So that is covered under the unlawful harassment. So now let's check out what is the legal definition. In the ordinary sense, to harass means to disturb persistently. See, you need to focus not only on disturb but also persistently, means repeatedly you are doing that. Torment as with troubles, cares, etc. To trouble and annoy continually or repeatedly. So, your act, once you did something wrong, that is not a harassment. But if you start doing that repeatedly, persistently, okay, continuously, then it is known as harassment. And in legal terms, harassment is more specific and can mean engaging in a course of vexatious comment or conduct that is known or ought reasonably to be known to be unwelcome. So, your act must not be favorable or not desirable, that is irritating someone. So, in that case, that is harassment. Okay. So, the moment your act started irritating someone, of course that action is targeted to someone and he or she start feeling like that you are doing something that irritates him, then it is harassment. Likewise, harassment in tort law covers wide range of unlawful acts, including stalking someone repeatedly. Again, I am using the word repeatedly. Repeated, again, unwanted phone calls. So, one call cannot be called as harassment, but it has to be repeated. Intrusive journalistic practices means publishing something that is personal in nature and there is no fact, no evidence proof of that fact. But even then, if it is personal, you are not allowed to do that. You are allowed only in the case of it is public matter. But if it is personal matter, you are not. Molestation, unwanted sexual advances, etc. So these are the acts that can be covered under the unlawful harassment. Defense of unlawful harassment. The first one is following the plaintiff with some lawful purpose. Means if you are doing stalking someone with some lawful purpose, maybe to protect her interest, then it is not unlawful harassment. Okay, but this clause is not applicable with everything, like intrusive journalistic practices, molestation, unwanted sexual advances, etc. The next one is plaintiff couldn't prove defendant's unlawful act. Of course, if claimant is claiming something and not in position to prove that, then in that case you will be saved. Okay, the last topic that we have as usual, that is remedy. So the first one is damages and second one injunction. So you have two damages in case of unlawful harassment. Likewise, we have discussed about the meaning and concept of unlawful harassment and of course the conditions and the actions, that is, those are basically covered under the unlawful harassments and defense and remedies. So this is all for this video. In next video we will be discussing about the another types of intentional tort, that is invasion of privacy. Okay, so in the meantime revise these videos and see you in next video.